Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add slide numbers, dates and footers in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to add slide numbers, dates and footers in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new work page. Well, here it is already on the PowerPoint work page. First here I will create 3 slides. And I will insert the slide design. To add slide numbers, dates and footers. How to? Enter the Insert menu. To the right, tap the Header and Footers menu. Here a menu will appear. In the Date and Time section. Here, in Update Automatically, to Date Automatically. And in Fixed. Here we Automatically. Here I select Automatically. Automatically and select this format. In the section, Slide Number. We check to add page numbers. In the Footer section, check it and enter text as an example. Here I type, Spateria. After finishing everything. So that everything we just edited appears on all slides. Tap Apply to All. Well, here it has appeared on all slides. Let's try running it. Well, on slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3 the results are visible. We can also edit it by entering the menu. View. To the right enter the Slide Master menu. Here we can edit. For example, I will move this date to the top. We can also change the color of the date. Like this. And on text. Spateria. Here I will enlarge it. Tap Text. Enter the Home menu. Here I will change the text size and I will enlarge it. And return to the main page. Here we can see by running PowerPoint. Well, here the results of what we edited earlier are visible. So that's it. Tutorial how to add slide numbers, dates and footers in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.